All right, folks, I just kind of wanted to discuss over the next couple of days as to why I'm a little bit now concerned with how things may play out over the next couple of days in terms of storms and fire potential. And if you look above me here, obviously it's a little bit grainy, so I apologize. But all this red is through eastern Ontario and then into central Ontario there above my head, where the red represents extreme fire danger. This is quite the drought we've got going on. Obviously, everybody knows, without rain for probably about a month and a half for most of the region. That has made everything extremely, extremely dry and very, very prime for fire conditions. And over the next couple of days, we will be seeing some storms here, both in central and eastern Ontario, and lightning danger will be a problem. The first round of storms should be happening in central Ontario, north of Peterborough and northeast of Peterborough in the heavily forested areas that quite honestly just straight up don't need to be seeing any kind of storm right now with any lightning. And then also over to the west in southern Ontario should be getting in on some storms as well. Not as much forest over there, but obviously a lightning strike can cause a grass fire, and a rapidly spreading grass fire is a thing that can still happen as well. But obviously forests are of the more concerning area there, as they can, the type of trees can just light up like a match and spread very, very rapidly with how dry it is, considering the drought that I had mentioned earlier and that everybody already knows about anyway. But this is something that we're going to have to watch, and hopefully these aren't too strong and aren't too electrified with any lightning. So that's something that we'll have to watch as well. And we're also watching Wednesday here in Eastern Ontario. I've got the map behind me centered on Eastern Ontario, with Yao being the Ottawa Airport, XFT being Franktown, and TWN being the Old Winchester Airport, just for reference. Obviously, you can see quite a few storms around on Wednesday afternoon. Obviously, we don't need lightning here either. It's very, very dry. As I mentioned, the fire danger is still extreme here. And straight up, we just need rain. And Wednesday is no longer looking like just a regular little rain shower day. It's looking more stormy. So at this point, we have to watch this and hope that our dry grounds don't get lit up by lightning. And but obviously, with how dry it is, that is the worry at this point. But we're going to have to watch this, because this is not the only round of storms that this should be happening on Wednesday. There should be an evening round as well. So I'll cover that one next. And so here is the second round of storms in Eastern Ontario on Wednesday evening. You can see above my head here, it kind of forms into somewhat of a line as it approaches the Seaway on Wednesday evening around 7 o'clock. Obviously, this is not set in stone, and none of this is. This is only one model run. Above me, you're seeing the NOM 3 kilometer. Granted, most models do show storms on Wednesday in Eastern Ontario, and additionally Tuesday in Central Ontario. But we'll just have to wait out and see how this goes. Obviously, the main concern is the lightning over the next couple of days, because, as I said, everything is so dry, and any lightning bolt can, start a forest fire, grass fire, etc. And the fire conditions do support fast-moving and very rapidly spreading fires should they happen. So this is something that's going to have to be monitored over the next couple of days, and we will update you after.